Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I've got a tour of the vintage Coach Willis bag for you. This is definitely one of the more popular and classic styles of vintage Coach bags, and what's really unique about this bag is it's still in like new condition. It looks like it was likely never used. It even has this little plastic barb that the price tag would have been attached to. This is still attached to the bag. Unfortunately, the price tag itself is gone, but that's still attached to it, and it comes with this sales pamphlet and the original registration card. So some of the same paperwork, or the original paperwork, is still there, which is pretty cool. So anyway, I'll go ahead and give you a 360 of the bag now. So here's the front. It's got a turn lock closure. That's what the inside looks like. It's got a deep slip pocket right here. And then here's the side and the back of the bag. It has another deep pocket, so lots of storage. And here's the side of the bag and the front. And then the strap is adjustable. It's a crossbody strap, and you can remove the strap like so if you just want to carry it by the top handle. These just remove easily. So here's the strap, and what's nice is the leather is still like very firm, which is also kind of another indication that it was likely never used. So I'll go ahead and show you the inside now of the bag. Like I mentioned, it's got a deep slip pocket here in the front, and then here's what the inside looks like. It's got some of the original tissue paper still inside, and I should also mention this bag was made in Hungary in 1996, I believe, and it actually has a unique hang tag. If you're a collector, you'll probably notice the difference from the regular 90s hang tags. This one looks a little different. Apparently, some other sellers told me apparently this type of hang tag was sometimes used on bags made in Hungary, so that's kind of cool, makes it a little bit more unique. But anyway, here's the inside. So it's got a really nice roomy interior, and it's got a inside slip pocket, or I'm sorry, zip pocket. So you can store some valuables back here, keep them separated from the rest of the bag. So yeah, that's about it. I'll go ahead and of course link this bag. It's available on our Etsy shop. I'll link that below if you want to check it out. It's I would say it's a little more of an investment piece because it is rare to find you know, such a nice bag in this type of condition, so it's more of an investment piece. I priced it according to comps for some similar bags that I found on Etsy that are in the same condition, but I also have other bags in different price ranges as well if you're just looking for something that's a little more everyday and a little more affordable. But I will go ahead, of course, and link it below, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.